Good afternoon, and on behalf of Team Dynamite, which includes Dallas Blake, Aldo Fernandez, and myself, John Brown, we hope you enjoy this explosive presentation. So today we are here to present to you Project CIAO, which is our analysis study on implementing a new collaboration tool called JMessenger. So let's start. First, we need to identify our business problem. Here we have our top main challenges. First, to assess the implementation of a new collaboration tool, JMessenger, for Project CIAO. Assess the feasibility regarding timeline and costs. Assess platform security, remaining in SOX compliance. Protect intellectual property. Assess value add implementation. So basically, will it work? How long will it work and take, and how much it will cost? Is it secure? Are we addressing compliance? And really, what's the benefit? Here we have our risk analysis. We broke it into two categories. One, development, and two, the intangible costs. For the development costs, we have labor, we have equipment, we have licenses. And for the intangible costs, it could be a decrease in employee morale, dissatisfaction with working conditions, and possibly a decline in service or product due to the change in culture or process. So on this slide, we have identified these costs. So under the development costs, we have listed the team required to complete the project. We have a project manager, database administrator, software engineer, quality analyst, programmer, the equipment and licenses for the team for the year. The intangible costs, as far as the intangible costs, they really won't be known because it could play a role into the future business environment. So what does Project CIAO mean? So Project CIAO stands for Collaborate, Innovate, and Operate. What will it do? First, it will allow employees individually or in a group to securely communicate on a single secure platform. It will allow developers to upload and download files seamlessly and allow tracking versions and edits. So for the software development lifecycle, we have chosen the Scrum model. So why have we chosen the Scrum model? A couple key points is it's broken into sprints. So basically almost like 2-week iterations. It will give real world results rather than speculation. It will give brief feedback cycles. And at the end of each sprint, team members will meet to see a demonstrated, potentially shippable product increment and plan its next steps. With the Scrum roles, we will have three roles. So it will be the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the team. So the product owner, we have identified one shareholder who will be authorized for the group as the product owner. The Scrum Master will be the team manager, will be the Scrum Master and act as a facilitator for the product owner and the team. The Scrum Master will not manage the team. As you see in your documentations in front of you, the Scrum Master will also work to advise the product owner about how to maximize the return of investment for the team. So here we have the flow chart. It will be the project manager who will plan and document all the project management. Then it will tee off to both the quality analyst and then the database administrator. The programmer will fall underneath the database administrator, and the software engineer will fall underneath the quality analyst. Here we have the project plan shown here, which is our Gantt chart. We have listed the duration of each sprint and have come to the conclusion of approximately 45 days and an assigned cost of $90,309 based upon the yearly salary of each team member divided amongst the days per day. So with the server equipment and the licenses, and for the labor costs, it's going to be roughly come out to $90,309. So here are the standards we will be following. They're set forth by the International Organization of Standardization. So basically it shows the software product quality, how we will be following it, functional suitability, reliability, performance efficiency, operability, security, compatibility, maintainability, and portability. So here are some of our technical problems that we will be addressing. Communication between the developers. So this needs to be 100% secure and SOX compliance. Our code should be able to be logged in and shared with the database, and that we keep records of all the communications. Obviously, this should be on a private server using some type of secure key or HTTPS security. And the program will be developed utilizing Java to maximize the use of existing code. Here we start the UML system use cases. So this is the UML system use case diagram. You can see how the user will interact with the system and how the system will interact with the database. Here you will have here you have the UML class diagram and how the classes within the program will be structured. This here is an excerpt of the UML sequence diagram. You can see how the system will interact with the sequence of events. For the full list of sequence diagrams, please refer to the appendices in the statement of work that have been handed out to you. So here is an excerpt of the UML state design diagram and how it will change from one state to the other as the user interacts with the system. Again, for the full list of diagrams, please look into your appendices of the handouts that were given out to you. So here's the benefits and recommendation that we have for this project. The communication will be more secure, assuring that our code is not distributed. The transmission logging will save time and confusion about who submitted and worked on a specific code. Although there will be costs associated with SOX compliance, there is also a return of investment due to the investor confidence. Compliance with SOX will allow our company to go public, thereby expanding our business. So with these bullet points, we recommend to this committee to move forward with this project. On this last slide, you can look at our references that we have for the data that we've gathered. So what I want to do is say, on behalf of Team Dynamite, we hope you had a blast. Thank you for your time and your confidence. Thank you.